I then put it to you that the company was incorporated on 28th December 2017. What do you say?
It was incorporated in 2017. However, it is, under the preference and it's an AGPO company.
It's an AGPO company. Let's go to the tender. Was that tender a reserved tender or an open tender? Go to the tender document.
It was an open tender.
It was an open tender, not reserved for AGPO, correct?
Correct.
So I catch you. Let's move on. Look at the same annexure. Annexure 10I. Annexure 10I. On Annexure 10I, Honorable Senators, I want us to look at page 14 of that annexure. Page 14 of that annexure. What is the recommendation of the evaluation committee?
From the foregoing evaluation, the evaluation committee recommends bidder number 37, Hamfield Limited, having submitted the lowest responsive evaluated bid, be considered for the award of tender for supply and delivery of assorted UPVC.
Yes, of how much?
At a total cost of 5,421,000.
I'm okay with that. Move on to page 15.
I'm there, Councillor.
Who is the chair of the evaluation committee?
Pauline Kamau.
Pauline Kamau. Who appointed Pauline Kamau? Move on to annexure 10H.
I'm there.
Yes. Who appointed Pauline Kamau?
The Chief Officer, Finance.
Chief Officer?
Finance.
Finance. Confirm to us that there was a substantive chief officer in charge of what at that particular time?
There was.
Good. Karilas.
Yes, Council.
As I sum up, I want to put it to you that you have lied before this committee that Pauline participated in only 2 tenders from earlier submissions.
Chair, I want to clarify that. I'm not a liar. I explained it is a evaluation committee meeting, and one appointment can have several tenders in it. So I clearly said evaluation committee meetings. Council.
So what exactly are you saying? Are you saying that Pauline did not participate in the 2 tenders as you said, and that our evidence shows you that she participated in several tenders? And that those tenders she participated in are questionable?
Chair, through it, Chair, just rephrase your question, Council.
Are you rebutting or are you leaving your earlier statement that Pauline participated in several tenders as opposed to your previous proposition?
Pauline participated in evaluating several tenders.
Oh, marvelous. I take that. Mr. Karilas.
I think now you are